Foxy puppet craft. Place all the materials on a flat surface. The story sheet, the fox and the grapes. Fox cutouts, glue and sketch pens. Begin with puppet making. Give the child the circular sheet and encourage them to color it orange in the white area using sketch pen. Offer assistance if required. Fold the circular sheet along the crease to form the fox body. Paste 2 legs in the front and 2 at the back for a sturdy look using glue. 2 legs in front and 2 at the back, like this. Now glue the face cutout on the right top of the circular body. Similarly, attach the tail at the back to complete the fox shape. Now attach the base. This makes the puppet stable and allows movement back and forth. Now read the story The Fox and the Grapes to the child loud and clear, discussing the story's moral to enhance understanding. Celebrate child's hard work and creativity in making the puppet.